Alright, so you'll notice this chain tool, you got a slot on each side, it goes all the way through, and that goes in between these pins. So you're going to slide it over, just like we've done so far, and tighten these Allen screws until they pop out the other side for the master link. You'll notice they don't easily slide over, that has to be pressed on. So once we get this all tightened up, we'll be able to pop the main clip out of this chain. So we're almost done, so let's loosen it up. See what we got. Alright. So we're loosening it out. It's getting really loose. Now you can see that's gone through on the other side, but the O-rings and this link start popping this off. And then we're going to take the master link, this is going to go on, and then we're going to take a screwdriver and pop this. These guys are really good at doing this.
Pinch yourself.
So use pliers instead this time. And there we go. She's on. Now the chain's together. Now the next thing is to slowly adjust these until the chain tension is where it needs to be. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and watch my other videos. Thank you.